Plan is to take this window out and put a small sliding door here. We're quite restricted by the height and the width really. Finish the outside walling. It has like a stipple effect. So this door's coming off and we're putting a window up this area here. This pipe's we're going to pick up the cold water from here. Toilet's going to be sitting here with the macerator, the sunny flow. Block this door up and put a window up here with the basin sitting here. And that's where the internal door is going to be going from there. Hopefully we'll get away with not retiling the floor. And we're going to come down with the pipe work in that corner